I'm literally eating chicken wings and french fries for weight loss. Whenever I'm baking wings, I like to look for the extra large jumbo wings. This will allow them to crisp up on the outside before getting dry on the inside. Split the wing in drumette and snip off the wing tip. In a bowl, we combine garlic powder, smoked paprika, a kiss of cayenne pepper, some ancho chili powder, onion powder only feels right. And then to this, we're gonna add a little bit of baking powder. Don't put too much because it will make the chicken taste weird. Give this a mix so everything is equally distributed. Wings get sprayed down with a little oil. And if you were paying attention, we did not put any salt in the spice rub. This is because I want to put the exact right amount right onto the chicken wings. We generously start applying our spice rub. I promise you, when cleaning up your diet, seasonings have essentially no calories. Toss them onto a sheet tray like this and into the oven at 415. We're gonna peel down our russets. I'm gonna make 1/2 inch slices, and then I want to keep the fries kind of thick. You kind of want them to look like this. Submerge them into an ice bath. The cold plunge is gonna wash off their starch and keep them hydrated until we're ready to cook. This is how we're gonna make healthy fries delicious. To rigorously boiling water, we're gonna add in some vinegar. The acidity is gonna help keep the potato intact and not let it break down. Give this a hefty pinch of salt and just go in with your potatoes. We're gonna let these roll for only about 4 minutes. We just want them to start getting slightly tender on the inside. See, look, they're getting nice and tender, but they still have a nice bend on them. This is what we want. Into a bowl they go. Pat them dry, make sure they're free of water. I'm gonna hit these with good olive oil, a quick dusting of Cajun or your favorite seasoning, then optionally a light dusting of cornstarch. At this point, these french fries are freezable. You could toss them into the freezer for several months, and whenever you're hungry, take them out and toss them into an air fryer. Into an air fryer basket they go, and then we hit them at 400 degrees. The wings have been vibing for about 25 minutes in the oven. They're also almost done cooking. Wings get tossed into a large bowl. We're gonna hit these generously with our favorite hot sauce. We're just gonna toss them and sauce them, and then just lay them back out on our sheet tray. I'm gonna crank the heat up in the oven to the max setting and finish these off for 5 to 10 more minutes. Okay, here is the final verdict. That is a beautiful chicken wing if you ask me. Let's see if they're juicy and tender. Yes, they are. Oh my. And as always, now bismillah. Wow. Okay, folks, the potatoes are done. I sit here every day trying to recipe test for y'all. And this is one of those days where I feel so satisfied on the outcome. They should take about 15, 20 minutes in the air fryer, and they just come out beautiful. It takes a little bit of work, but it's worth it.